Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get kombucha and black fruit. First, ensure you have a finished first fermentation kombucha ready. Select your preferred black fruits, such as blackberries or black currants, making sure they are ripe and clean. Prepare your brewing vessel by sanitizing it thoroughly to prevent unwanted bacteria. This simple process adds delicious flavor and beneficial compounds to your homemade brew. Next, prepare your black fruit. For each 16-ounce bottle, use about 1/4 cup of fruit. You can gently mash or slice the fruit to release more flavor. Place the prepared fruit into your clean, sealable bottles. Then, carefully pour your finished first fermentation kombucha into each bottle, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top for carbonation. Once bottled, seal them tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 5 days. This is where the magic of carbonation happens. Taste your kombucha daily to monitor the fizziness and flavor development. When it reaches your preferred level of carbonation and taste, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This slows down fermentation and preserves the delicious black fruit flavor. Your delicious black fruit kombucha is now ready to enjoy. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Serve it chilled for the best experience, savoring the unique blend of tangy kombucha and sweet black fruit. It's a fantastic, healthy alternative to sugary drinks. Also, for an effortless home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.